Hello everyone, it's Casper Beamish, and today I got this new inbox Bertram in the mail today. So it's 2013 obviously, and I'm going to do an unboxing and review of him. So just take a quick look at the package. And this is 2013 Bertram, obviously, because the 2003 Learning Curve one is just, it's fine. It just hardly looks like Bertram like at all. For one thing, doesn't come with a tender. His face is literally Smudge's face mask. Happy face mask, and he's got two red domes and a red cab and a red side. Why is he got so much red all over the place? It just doesn't really look like him overall. But so I decided to get the good Mattel one, I guess. So let's get them open. So I'm gonna try and keep the unboxing as much as I can on the screen. Oh yeah, of course this is gonna happen, because it's not one of those older Learning Curve boxes. Actually look, it's coming open, as you can kind of see. Hang on, probably gonna speed this up. Okay, that took a bit of trial and error, but we finally got him. So here we go. And Bertram, here he's out of the package for the first time and looks really cool. Now, I'm obviously, it just looks really cool. Let me just get a better angle of him. How just we could show him around in more detail. Hang on. Okay, so here's a better look of him out of the package, and if I'm being honest, he looks really cool. So here's a quick look at the bottom. It says Bertram and Bertram's tender. The face. Let's talk a quick bit about the face. And the face is, it's pretty accurate to, Bertram's face. Although it does look a bit like Smudge's smiling face mask is still fine. Here's a quick look at the package. And as you can see, I've kept it in, fine condition, I would say. Probably not the best, but, I'm probably still, going to keep this package because, I do like the 2013 Mattel packages. So, just a quick look on the back, pretty similar. This Bertram, now guys, you're probably wondering how much was this Bertram? Well, it was only like $95 free shipping, which is technically pretty good because, considering it's a new in-box engine, will cost probably more like, 200 or maybe like 230 or something. But no, I actually got this for $9.99 free shipping. So no, sorry, not $9.99, $95.99 free shipping. But anyway, let's just take a quick look at his main part. So there's his face again, pretty cool. Now, a lot of people say this Bertram is a blatant rip-off of Duke, and I do agree with that, but I think, Bertram, obviously, he only appeared in, one season 5 episode right before the end, which was Toby's Discovery, I think, where, Toby is just, exploring, this old abandoned place, and, he finds, this, old engine, called Bertram, who apparently is named, the Old Warrior, because, he was pretty brave, apparently. But, anyway, just, look at all that copyright information stuff on the back. So, let's see. Thomas Wooden Railway, the classic logo. Thomas the Tank Engine and Friends, created by Britt Alcroft. She was the lady behind the Thomas Wooden Railway line and stuff. And for some reason it says Fisher-Price there, probably because, it was, funded by Fisher-Price, I don't know. But, so that's pretty much it, guys. Hope you liked it on our good friend Bertram. Again, I'm not sure if I'm ever going to get the 2003 Learning Curve one. I don't have any immediate plans because, I really, 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 really wanted this Bertram a lot more. But, who knows, I may get it one day. Who knows? Anyways, guys, that's it. Bye.